Wooyang HC is a trusted global company in the plant equipment sector. Since its establishment as Wooyang Industries in 1993, we have been providing customized solutions with over 30 years of experience and expertise. Wooyang HC operates state-of-the-art facilities in 3 factories located in Pyeongtaek, Gyeonggi Province, with the help of experts, with a total production facility of over 190,000 square meters, including Factory 1, Factory 2, and Factory 3. We supply specially manufactured equipment to domestic and international plant sites. We have established global trust by securing domestic and international certifications, such as listing on the KOSDAQ, obtaining ASME U3 certification, and registering with Lloyd's Register Class 1. Additionally, we have proven our quality and delivery capabilities by being recognized as an excellent partner by world-renowned companies, such as Chevron Phillips, Bechtel, and JGC. The competitiveness of Wooyang HC can be summarized in 3 points. First, industry-specific custom manufacturing capabilities. We provide tailored designs, optimized for on-site conditions such as pressure vessels, heat exchangers, and piping spools. Second, precision machining and high-quality welding. We ensure accurate dimension management and welding quality with our in-house factory equipment. Third, a proven delivery record verified at various plant sites. We provide problem-solving capabilities based on field experience from design to installation and operation. Wooyang HC utilizes the latest FEA analysis technologies such as ANSYS, PV Elite, and FE Pipe for the design of core plant equipment like SSC, FWH, and DEA. Our production capacity is 30,000 tons per year, with the ability to manufacture up to a maximum diameter of 10 meters, a length of 110 meters, and a unit weight of 3,200 tons. We manufacture special materials and ultra-large equipment in various fields such as chemical plants, energy plants, and eco plants. We are executing global projects such as Cameron LNG, Chevron Phillips, and PVN while satisfying both quality and delivery deadlines. With certifications including ISO 9001, 14001, 45001, and ASME U2, U3, and PP Wooyang HC provides customized plant solutions that ensure safety and reliability.